Good afternoon, folks, and thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to come join us on the virtual tour of 4908 Dove Drive here in beautiful, sunny Zephyrhills, Florida. We find ourselves today inside a new community, Palm Tree Acres Mobile Home Park, a gorgeous 55 and older community here right at the heart of Zephyrhills. It is pet friendly. We've got lower lot rent for the area as well, and tons of social activities to do here within the park. Now what we have on our hands, folks, is a 2-bed, 1-bath, single wide with tons of storage, an extra built out Florida room, an updated AC, updated flooring, and a couple other goodies that we cannot wait to show you here. Very affordable housing. Before we get started here, folks, I want to stress one major thing. This is a fire sale. We have got to get this home sold as soon as possible. So when we wrap up at the end of the video and talk about the numbers, please bring all offers, as this unit does need to get sold immediately. As always, folks, before we get started on the outside of the tour, if you have not yet done so, please go ahead and join the mobile home dealer community. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of the property, as we always enjoy seeing all the new names come through our channel as we continue to grow as a community. So with that being said, folks, if you're ready, I'm ready, and welcome to the virtual tour of 4908 Dove Drive here in Zephyrhills. Now, as we approach the front of the home, we do have a very large parking pad, which is nice. You will see that the previous owner has built out a good portion of the carport. They built it out for one of the 2 Florida rooms, which is quite nice. Now, Palm Tree Acres is a gorgeous community here. It's definitely a sleeper community. A lot of people don't know about it, and just tons of things to offer throughout. Good sized backyard. You're definitely not on top of one another. Again, this park is a pet friendly community, so you got plenty of space for the 4-legged friends to go out and run around. Nice tree for additional shade. First update we want to talk about on the home is the central AC. Now, most of these homes here in the park, folks, these single wides, they've got window units. This does have central, so that's a big selling point. That's recently been serviced with a new fan and a couple other new parts. So it's blowing ice cold, keeping us nice and cool on a warm summer day like today. Now, as we wrap around the front of the home, couple of really neat ideas they did here. In the initial Florida room here, you've got 2 spaces. But this one is really unique in the fact you don't see a lot of these, okay? A couple of things I want to point out. Plenty of power all the way through. Screens have been recently redone, as you see. No rips or tears to speak of. They're all in great condition. And then we have the second Florida room. Again, nice spot. You do have plenty of power all the way through here. Windows pop up, so it keeps you nice and cool. Plenty of space in either room to definitely put a large TV out here, hangout spot, you name it, whatever you like. In the back here with the workshop, we have the setup for laundry, okay? Washer and dryer, it's pre-plumbed, it's ready to go, as well as the utility tub. Now, we do have separate AC in here, as you see, as well as a generator that is coming with the home. Laundry units are not coming with the property, but to be fair, it's already set up and it's going to be reflective in the price. And then in the corner here, you have the access door that we saw at the back of the home if you want to take your little guy out there to go to the bathroom at night. It's always quite nice to have it there. So we walk into the home, we'll enter into the first bedroom. Good size all throughout. Now, a couple of things we want to highlight. Carpet's in good condition, no rips or tears, no soft spots to speak of throughout the flooring as well. Custom built in the corner, custom built in there on the side. Now, this is interesting because they do have a pass-through for the first, or for the only bath. Full bath with the shower stall, updated toilet, and the raised vanity. Now, the updated flooring that we mentioned in the initial part of the video, the intro, this is where this kicks in. Okay, so the overflooring has been totally redone in this area of the home. Updated appliances, updated cabinetry. You see, you got the solid surface countertops, all in good shape. And then all the central AC ducts there as well. Separate entrance from the side. And then the second bedroom, going to be a little small here, but still definitely livable, and definitely does count as a bedroom with the closet, plenty of power, be a great home office spot, you know, a place for guests, you name it. The other nice thing is that this is a 2-1, and it's a split floor plan, so a bed on either side definitely opens it up for a roommate possibility or an in-law quarters. So tons of things offered here at 4908 Dove Drive here in Zephyrhills. We'll get one more shot there because we have the landscaper who just showed up outside cutting grass. So we'll finish up the number section here in the kitchen, walk you through it so you can clearly hear me on it. So I hear you folks. Okay, so we got the updated countertops, updated cabinets, recently redone central AC. You know, what is this going to cost? Well, folks, I always stress in all of these videos, don't take my word for it. Always go to our website. We'll put it on the bottom of the screen here, sellmobilehome.com, as that is going to have all of the updated information on all of our properties. But at the time of this recording, I said it's a fire sale, and I was not kidding. The initial price, $21,500. So live in this beautiful home in Zephyrhills with shopping and dining just outside of the community for under 22 grand. And please bring all offers. Lot rent's about $800 a month. Okay, so about $800 a month on lot rent, $21,500 on the price of the home. Seller does need to sell. Please bring all offers to this property. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put Christina's contact information. She's going to be the sales agent for this property, doing a fantastic job as a part of the team here. Give her a call, send her a text, and ask her any questions that you have about 4908 Dove Drive. She'll be more than happy to help you with any questions that you have about this property. As always, folks, my name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer, and thank you so much for coming on the virtual tour of 4908, and we'll see you all on the next one.